Hey guys, I'm so happy to see that you're interested to know how to create your videos in Ghibli style. So here's a step-by-step process of how you can do it now. You log into ChatGPT first with your email or Google account. After you've logged in, you can upload your image that you want to create in Ghibli style. Please keep this in mind that with a free ChatGPT account, you can create only 2 free Ghibli style photos. The processing is a little long. It'll take about 5 odd minutes, but I'm telling you, it's totally worth it. Wait till the end. And here we have it. This is such a cute photo. It's a photo of me making a name necklace. This is the chain cutting photo. I'm resizing the chain basically in this image. I think it's come out perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save it and then I'm going to go to this website called King AI to create all my videos. So the best part about King AI is that it gives you 166 free credits to generate your images to videos. And each image will take up about 20 credits to create into videos. That means that you can very easily create up to 8 videos with these free credits. Once you've logged in, please click on create and then click video. Then you select the image that you want to generate into a video. This image has to be the ChatGPT Ghibli art image that you've generated. After that's done, put a super simple prompt into the chat that will prompt the AI for an action in the image. See, right now it's just an image. So for example, you can see an image of a girl cutting the chain. So I want a video of the girl showing that she's cutting the chain. So I will put that exact thing in my prompt. After about 2-3 minutes, my video will be generated and oh my god, okay, it's not perfect, but I think it'll do for this video. Of course, if the AI is new and it needs some time to kind of learn, it's artificial intelligence at the end of the day, guys. It will improve eventually. I've managed to generate 8 of my images into videos now. I'm super excited. And once you are done with making all your videos on King AI, you can go into CapCut or InShot and import all your videos and make your Ghibli style video for Instagram. So I've been using InShot to edit my videos for the last 3 years and I think I've become a pro at it. So I am going to use InShot to create my Ghibli style video. So you go into videos and you can see I have just select all the videos that you need. You can import it and then start editing according to what you need. And here are the results.